One day your drone will be a taxi, and that day is closer than you think. More than 50% of respondents in a recent industry study said they are planning to launch new urban air mobility solutions in the next 1 to 5 years. A new urban air mobility revolution is on the rise. And its success relies on the ability to adapt new technology to the proven safety and security principles that have guided the aerospace industry for decades. Because these new unmanned air vehicles must now protect human lives in flight and on the ground. Wind River brings over 35 years of experience in successfully executing avionics programs. From DO-178C DAL-A certification to cybersecurity capabilities, Wind River Software helps your urban air mobility program grow and be approved for safe flight. See more solutions for unmanned systems at windriver.com/aerospace-defense.